He's no other than Protoje all of you.
Bless. Greetings, everyone. Protoje, all one. So, yeah, thanks for the patience. We're here. We're in the moment now. And my brother Protoje and I are going to reason about his album, Ancient Future, and the lyricism that drives this album. He and I have been brethren for a while, and I've seen some of these lyrics come from far, before even the first album. So I know that he has a very strategic mind, and now was the time for certain lyrics to come out. We worked together on a couple of things. The first album we co-wrote, Wrong Side of the Law, true, which I guess co-wrote itself due to circumstances. And we've worked on different projects, public relations projects. I've written his bio, press releases. We did a nice hashtag project for Kingston Be Wise, which helped it to really become a known song. And Grand Theft Auto eventually picked up that song. I think it was the number one hashtag for like 2 days in the Jamaican internet world. Yeah. I think like Dead with RCL was like, they beat it still because everybody used that. But after that it was like KBW, you know, so yeah. We have a lot of good moments creatively, and today is about trying to transplant our conversations that we normally have together. Whenever I go to his house or he comes to my house, or we link up in whichever country and we get a moment to reason, we usually kind of sit down and go off into some tangents that we never expect, you know. We talk about the creative process, social issues, each other's personal growth,